Right, hello again. We're on day 2 of the 3 days of hill climbs, and it's pouring down. I've got slicks on, and I've just looked, and there's other people with the same tyres, but they've got wet slicks, whereas mine are medium and hard, no, soft and medium dry slicks. So I don't know, it's all going to be new to me anyway. But it's pouring down, and the marshals have just gone up to the post. We've been delayed because it has been pouring it down all morning. It's supposed to dry up later, so I've just got to try and get it up the hill in one piece. Just driving it here on the roads, 30 miles an hour, you put your foot down in third gear and it starts spinning the wheels. So it's going to be, you know, I don't want to do anything silly. I've got all day, it's going to dry out, I've got tomorrow as well. So yeah, just take it easy. My theory is I could be doing a rally stage, and the rally stages are spaced out quite a distance. If I leave pits and there's a hold up, it could start raining. I could have slicks on. So it's a bit of experience driving with slicks on. Apparently the treads are quite good. They do grip quite well, but it's all learning for me, so I'm a bit frightened. But I'm sure it'll be good. We'll have a look and see. But and I've got to demist everything because we are well foggy. Right, whilst we're waiting for everyone to get going, people start going up the hill, but it'll be a while before I go. There's a few things I need to sort out. I need to get the steering wheel up higher still. I think the motor's hitting the underside of the dash, so I can always cut a bit out of the dash and get it up higher, which will lift the steering wheel up. Getting in and out is a real problem. There's not much gap between the steering wheel and the seat, and then you've got to get your leg back quite a bit to get out around the door bar. So that's an issue. The seat is in the wrong place. I've got to move it back, maybe up a little bit. I can't see these gauges, so this is from eye level, but the steering wheel going up should sort that problem out. The buzzer's doing my head in still, just in case you've forgotten what it sounds like. Yeah, but I suppose you want to hear it when if there's no oil pressure. I didn't quite shut the windows, and we've got a lot of water inside, so hopefully the heated screen works all right. I'm not turning the screen on until I fire the engine up. I don't fire the engine up until nearer the time till we go, otherwise it'll just start getting too hot. This is the group before me, so they're all revving up and getting keen. There's a few escorts here today. That's a Mark 1, not that you can see anything. And there's a Mark 1 Mexico next to that. Mark 2, another Mark 2 behind it, a couple more Mark 2s. There's all sorts. Right, hopefully we'll be going soon. cracking day, really enjoyed it, it was really good. And it's great to get a bit of experience in the wet. I think it'll be drier tomorrow, so looking forward to doing it all again. Thanks for watching.